Hey, meteorologist Pete Mangione here. Still looking at a pretty cold afternoon. Wind chills will be in the teens at times today. Actual temperatures will likely stay in the 20s, and we're still on the lookout for the potential of a few scattered to isolated snow showers. I don't know if these truly materialize today, but if they do, you could get a brief drop in visibility. Most likely time to get these would be any time from the middle to the later part of the afternoon. You can see here on the Futurecast we're stopping this around 5 p.m. and then clearing skies overnight with more cold weather on the way. So here's your weather planner. Highs in the upper 20s, but with those winds gusting around 25 or 30, you may get those wind chills at times running in the teens. All right, looking at our sunrise and sunset times. We're talking about this on the news this morning. Big difference. Saturday sunrise 6:07 in the morning. Saturday sunset, I should say, 5:45 in the evening. But look at Sunday. Might be a little bit harder to get up in the morning with a 7:06 sunrise time, but the nice trade-off will be the sunset time on Sunday at 6:46 in the evening. Now, we may not actually see much sun on Sunday, so you might not get to enjoy that later sunset until Monday. We'll have more updates throughout the day. Thanks for joining us.